Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrienne. Long time no see. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope everyone got out today and enjoyed this beautiful sunshine. It was so amazing. I soaked it all up. Oh my God, it was so amazing. So this video, as you can tell by the title, is gonna be a quick Dollar Tree haul. I picked up some things today. I was actually on the website today for Dollar Tree because I was looking for some things to buy in bulk for my pantry. And I saw some Easter stuff and I was like, ooh, let me hop into the store real quick and pick up some things. So here's what I got today. All right, so from left to right, the first thing I got was this Easter bunny decorations. These are gonna hang from my windows, like in my living room. So when people outside pull up, they'll be able to see these. And this is another one. If I can stuck together there. This one's an Easter basket. I think it's really cute. I like the Easter basket especially. And then I have these towels. These are gonna be for decoration, obviously. These are gonna go on my stove. And I think they're really cute. It says Happy Easter on both sides. The print is on both sides as well. And this one has Easter eggs on both sides. And then this right here is just a hanging. I don't know exactly where I'm gonna hang it at just yet, probably in my living room somewhere. But it says Happy Easter and it has the Easter bunny and then all the little eggs hanging down from it. And then I'll go ahead and show you this. So this is a weekly planner. It is not what I wanted. I wanted something a little bit bigger because I like to write in detail, like what my days are gonna be like. Not necessarily each day, but the days that I have stuff planned, like I like to write out sometimes in detail, but this is just each month. So at least it gives me some space to write. The good thing is it's only $1. So if I find something different that I like somewhere else, not that big of a deal. Let's see. Oh, St. Patrick's Day towels. So I was fortunate to find these. I hadn't seen these before. Or maybe I did, maybe I overlooked them. So these are gonna go up now. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on my stove. And again, it's just for decoration. I think they're cute. I did get some tea light candles. I have some oil containers, some heated oil containers. So I'll use these maybe in like little candle holders. I think I have some still, so. I like to keep these on hand. And then these are some garden things that I got. So the first thing I got was this Home Sweet Home garden flag. It comes with the little stick. You can't see it, but you can feel it in here. It's like a little stick to go down. I want to say it goes down in the ground. Yeah, little piece that goes down in the ground. So I thought it was cute. It has lemons on it. I haven't opened it up yet, but that's what that is. This is a jumbo garden bag. Now, obviously, I don't have a garden, but I figured this will be good to use like whenever I start moving stuff around outside. Maybe if I do some planting, because we are allowed to like have plants and things here. So whatever little bits and pieces that I do, this might come in handy for storage and, you know, things like that. I also got this summer bouquet. This is, so it looks like this right here, this little circular, I don't know, it looks almost like a piece of foam really, but supposedly all of these plants come out of it, over 500 seeds. And so, yeah, I said, I'm gonna try this out. This is kind of what it's supposed to look like. It's supposed to be all these different color flowers. And it has to be watered daily, which I actually like because normally I water flowers every day anyway, and some of them die. So at least I know that in this case, I'm supposed to water it daily. This is some Wildflower Blend. I got this actually for the back of my townhome. There's like a little fall off, drop off, I guess what you would call it, where the back of the property starts to go into the woods. So I said I might try to throw some seeds out there and see what happens. You're supposed to start this in the springtime, early spring. So that's now. So it says, yeah, after all danger of frost has passed. And I feel like we are out of the woods. I know we just had some winter weather, but I feel like we're kind of getting out of the woods. So I don't know, I might wait another month or so. Maybe sometime in March I'll plant these. There's really not much to it. I think you just kind of throw them out there and see what takes seed. So there's that. And then finally, I got these little garden gloves. I thought they were super cute. It kind of matches the flag that I have. I love lemons, especially as like a summer theme. I have a whole Amazon wish list dedicated to nothing but lemon themed everything. And so these are really cute, I think. And then this side is just, I don't know. I don't even know what you call this, but it's kind of like the stuff that's on the bottom of socks where you don't slip. Non-slip, there you go. It's like that non-slip grip stuff on the inside. So that's that. I am actually going to go out really quickly and put my flag out there, and then I'll show you guys how it looks.